Why 99% of humans are glitching, the 2026 patch. Humanity is currently running on an outdated operating system. You call it burnout, procrastination, and brain fog. In the 2026 reality, we call it system friction. The habits you were taught weren't designed to make you free, they were designed to make you predictable. You aren't lazy. You are simply running malware installed by a system that thrives on your fatigue. Today we initiate the global override. Before you can install new software, you must delete the legacy code. Most self-help tells you to add more to your day. We tell you to subtract. Protocol 01, the morning buffer. Delete the instant input. When you check your phone within 15 minutes of waking, you allow the matrix to program your dopamine levels before you even boot up. Protocol 02, visual declutter. Delete the notifications. Every ping is a pull on your processing power. To be sovereign is to reclaim your focus. Now we install the Sovereign Zen Protocols. These are not habits, they are hardwired commands. Command 1, the 60-second void. Before every major task, enter total silence. This aligns your physical mind with the source. Command 2, the crystalline intake. Replace chemical stimulants with high-conductivity hydration. You are upgrading your hardware to handle higher frequencies of success. When your biology is optimized, the grind disappears, and flow begins. The matrix relies on the density of material survival, but a new resonance is waking up. This isn't about getting better, it's about becoming a different species of thinker. The update is ready. Will you click install? Join the resonance. The frequency is now.